Hi there, good morning. Gorgeous day in West Pensacola, Florida. Going out with Pensacola friends and a guest, Christian from South Africa.
Yeah.
Right? We're going out 20 miles offshore in the Gulf of America. Hopefully we'll have a good luck fishing today. So hopefully Christian is a lucky guy. So we'll see. Christian is on. Oh, that's a good size. Vermilion, nice vermilion. So you got it up really quick, that's nice. Okay, Christian is on. Come on, hurry up. Oh, the dolphin got it. Look at that thing. Okay, they got your fish. Yeah, sorry. Alright, fish on. Oh, yeah, it got heavy, so the dolphin grabbed it. Oh my gosh. Dolphin grabbed that snapper. Alright, fish on. Okay, dolphin, don't grab it. Alright, let's see what we have. Oh, trigger fish. A small one though. A small trigger fish. There you go. All right, nice red snapper. All right, cool. Okay, let's measure it. All right, fish on. I think this is a trigger fish again, the way it fights. All right, let's see. Yeah, you're right, it's getting bigger. Oh wow, that's a bigger one. Is he gonna make the cut? All right, Nick got the red snapper, so I think that's about 13 inches. Oh, Bob is tight. Nice. All right, Bob is tight. Let's see what Bob has. Red snapper also. At least they're biting. Yeah, lane snapper, nice one. That's probably 11 inches. Good job. Nice. Remora, she got a lot of different kinds of fish that you caught.
What is it?
That is a remora. So they're sucker, right?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Stick to the boat, huh?
So what, these things stick to the shark?
Yeah, they stick to the... See, I tried to take it out. You can take it out. Is that to take it? All right. Now we can take it out.
What you fixing, Bob?
Hey, did you see this, Nick? The shark sucker? Come on.
There's more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it.
You're right here. Stick to the side. You can even take it out. See? I got the dad.
Bye bye.
All right, fish on. Let's see. Oh, perch. It's a perch. Yeah, you need to catch one of these things to add to your species.
You need to?
This is a saltwater perch. It's small. I'll let it go. Nice, beautiful fish. Fish on, fish on. Let's see. Oh, your favorite, Lane. Beautiful Lane. I'm sure it's a keeper. Nice Lane snapper. Not giant, but there's something in there.
Decent size?
Yeah, so probably 10 and a half, maybe. See. Oh, 11 and a half. That'll work. Fish on! Feels like remora.
No. No, it's not.
Oh, snapper. Red snapper. Short. 13, maybe 12. Yeah. Alright, fish on. Ooh, still pulling. Nice, huh? Or red snapper. Let me see. It's gonna make it. Red snapper. You might make a cut. Or maybe not. Red snapper. It's really fat. It's a fat one. See, it's gonna make the cut. See, the guts are because of decompression, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna decompress that. Let's see. 14. 14. Short! It's short, so as you can see, the belly is so distended like that. So we're gonna decompress that. So this is what they call a venting tool. It has a hole.
You have it there?
We should put it right here. 1-2 inches behind the pectoralis fin. Oh yeah, see that the air is decompressed, so they'll be able to go down. All right. Bobby's on. Oh wow, that looks good. That looks like a keeper. Yes, it is. Oh no, there's a big lane.
That's a big lane. Get the net.
Just in it. Where's the net?
Thank you.
Wow, that is a giant one. Wow, that's a giant one. Giant lane. Boy, Bobby's hot. Connected again. Is that your lucky rod?
Yeah.
You look like you're catching a lot of the fish on that stuff. With a squid.
Look at no, it's another porgy.
Another porgy. Let's net that.
Okay.
Wow, that's a nice porgy. Wow. Good job, Bob.
Go.
You got the hole in there. Nice porgy.
I didn't even get him in the mouth.
Okay, Bobby's on again. Oh, that's pulling really nice. I think this is a big trigger, the way it's pulling. Let's get the net ready. Oh, no, it's a porgy. Nice, Bob. That's a nice porgy. Want me to net it? Oh, that's a good porgy. Nice porgy. Yoo-hoo. Cool, beauty. That's a beauty. All right, fish on. Let's take a trigger fish. Okay. Oh, wow. Let me see if it's gonna make it. Maybe not. Maybe this is just 12 inches or maybe 13. That's a good size Atlantic sharp nose. Yeah, those are white spots.
Yeah.
Oh, nice hook though. Okay, so at least we don't lose your weight in the event it breaks us. That's really a nice hook there. Yeah, that was really good. Boy, straighten your hook. Straighten your hook.
I know.
Alright, fish on. Didn't take long. This is a bigger one. The way it fights. That's a very feisty one. Okay, wow, this is a little bigger. Oh yeah, stronger too. Nick is on too. Awesome. Wow, that's amazing. All right, another. Oh, this is a good one. That's a nice vermilion. Hoo-hoo. Wow, this is a big one. I knew it. Wait for wait for the bigger one.
You don't have to measure, right?
Yeah. Oh, did you see that thing hit it? What is that? Bonita. There's a bonita.
Yeah. Was it really?
It was fishing and then that thing, the bonita just swam. We're using, this is a 40-pound test line, 2 hooks, 3-odd and 2-odd hooks with a 4 ounces sinker. Just put a piece of bonita. Alright. And we'll just drop it. Doesn't take long. Another double header with Nick. Nick is so fast. Okay, all right, nice vermilion again. Oh, there's another vermilion too. Double. I think they're brothers. Look, same size. Mine is might be a little marginal. Yeah, there you go. Bob is on.
Don't feel too big.
It must be one of those vermilion. Maybe another brother. We need a mother or grandmother or grandfather. Same size. Nice vermilion. Ah, it's a keeper. Ah, yeah, it feels it's heavy. All right, fish up. Ooh, no, oh my gosh.
Yeah, you said what?
Woke up now. Could be a snapper. Be a grouper.
38-inch snapper?
Wow, I don't think so. It doesn't feel like.
No, I'm only kidding.
Is that your biggest?
My biggest is 36.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yours was what, Bob? 36?
Yeah, that. Yeah,
36
inches. That's a big one.
Yeah, caught it with Charles.
That's a legal limit of cobia. Okay, this floating already, I think.
What? I just seen a flash.
Yeah, right there. Right there, we have a color. What are you?
Is it a cobia?
Is it a shark? I feel like a shark. It can be a shark.
Yeah, it's definitely not a...
It feels like a
Definitely
shark.
not a snapper.
Yeah, it's not. And it's long. I have a feeling it's a shark. How can I cut a shark with that teeny? I think it's... Oh, it's a,
Yeah, I think you're right. I think it's a shark. Yep.
oh, it's a shark. Right at the angle of the mouth. Oh yeah, forget about it. Yeah. Oh, this is the Atlantic sharp nose. See those white spots? No size limit. Illegal to keep. I ate one of those things. Yeah, okay. Broke it.
Yeah, he was flapping away.
Yeah. Bob is on. That looks a good one. Let's see. I think it's a red snapper. Feel it. Behaving like a red snapper.
I'll be ready coming close.
Oh, greater amberjack. Greater amberjack. All right, one cute greater amberjack. Yeah, cool. All right, fish on with a jig and a slow pitch rod. I knew it. Come on, what is it? Wow, it's getting heavy. It's a heavy fish. Maybe a snapper. Ooh, yeah, there's some all right, what do we have? Are we gonna net this or what? Oh, what is that? Cobia? A cobia?
That's not a keeper, right?
Yeah, it looks like a small cobia. A small cobia. Well, yeah, let's net it so we don't kill it. Oh, no. Oh, I hope you have friends in there. A bigger one. A cobia. It's B36. I don't think it's gonna make it. This is probably like 24. Oh, wow. Oh, it came off. Came up. Yeah, it's not a keeper anyway. It's perfect. Perfect release. Yeah. have here? Triple. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Wow. Bobby's on. I'm on. Okay, Nick, get the other one. What the heck we have? Bunch of mahi or a bunch of bonita? I think this will come right out. All right. Oh, nice bonita. Oh wow, it's another one. Nice. Oh wow. 20 vermilion snappers. Look at this big block drum. It's feeding on the carcass that I'm throwing.